Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to draw a charming scene of a girl holding an umbrella. This delightful drawing is perfect for artists of all levels, so grab your pencils and let's get started. Start by sketching a circle for the girl's head and an oval for the body. Draw guidelines for the arms and legs. These basic shapes will help you get the proportions right. Let's draw the umbrella. Sketch a large semicircle above the girl's head and a handle that extends from the girl's hand to the top of the umbrella. Make sure the umbrella is proportionate to the girl's size. Start adding details to the girl. Sketch her clothing, adding folds and details to make it look realistic. Refine the shape of the umbrella and add segments to it. Draw the spokes extending from the handle to the edge of the umbrella. You can add patterns or designs to the umbrella to make it more interesting. Using a fine tipped pen or marker, trace over your pencil lines. Be careful to follow the details you have added, especially around the girl's feature and umbrella segments. Once the ink is dry, erase any remaining pencil marks. If you want, it's time to bring your drawing to life with color. Use colored pencils, markers, or watercolors to add vibrant hues to the girl and the umbrella. Choose colors that complement each other to make your drawing stand out. And there you have it, a lovely drawing of a girl holding an umbrella. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your drawing with us in the comments below. We had loved to see your creation. Until next time, keep watching and happy drawing. Thank you very much, my dear viewers.